All right, go video. Anyway, we got the Stanley planer. So, I'm just making a quick video for some people to help me out on this one. So this is a number 378. It is marked. It is a brass body. I mean, it does look a lot more brass today than last night. I guess you need the sun to really see that it is brass. Past the magnet test, it's definitely brass. Solid vein right here, as you can see right there. And yeah, it's not broken. That's good. So yeah, I don't really know much about it, but this is what it looks like. These are the pieces that it had. It had this blade and some correct, the correct foot, I believe. It works with it. One of these rods is wrong. This one is not brass. This rod is brass. This could have came with a brass foot, maybe, but there it is. Let me know what you think. I know nothing about it, and we're kind of stumped on finding any info on it. Thanks.